before, boy, though my story's seldom told, like I squander my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles and jar promises. All lies and jest, still a man hear what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway station, running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poorer quarters, where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they will know. La-la-la, 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 la-la-la. Asking only workman's wages, I come looking for a job, but I get no offers. Just I come on from the woods on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome, I took some comfort there, la 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 la. Now the years are rolling by me, they are rocking heavenly. I am older than I once was, younger than only, that's not unusual. No, it isn't strange, after changes upon changes, we are more or less the same. After changes, we are more or less the same. La-la-la, 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 la-la-la. Then I'm laying out my winter clothes and wishing I was going home, where the New York City winters are bleeding me, going home. In the clear instance, a boxer and a fighter by his straight, and he carries the reminders of every glove that laid him down or cut him, till he cried out in his anger and his shame, I am leaving, but the fire still remains, it still remains. La la la, 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 la la la. La 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 la.